In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix this site can't be reached error in your Google Chrome or any browser. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure there is no proxy enabled in our LAN. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type internet options. Okay, click on internet options under the best match. Now, once the Internet Properties window will be open, you just need to simply click on the Connections tab. Now, here you will find Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on this button. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings the button is checked. Now, for the proxy server, if this is checked in your case, just simply uncheck it and then click on OK. Click on Apply and click on OK. For the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Do not worry, the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Type netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Okay? netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space IPv4 space reset space reset dot log. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash flushdns. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, we have to open our network connections window. So type in the Windows search bar ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item, click on that. Once you find the network connections window, locate your network adapter, make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Now here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, you need to type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close this. And just try to open the Chrome browser if that helped you fix the issue. And then again, make a right click on your network adapter, select properties. Here you have to locate Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure this is disabled. So do not check Internet Protocol version 6. So to disable it, click on OK and then close this. Then that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.